The Soul of the Sunflower by Sarah Judd. The warm sun kissed the earth to consecrate thy birth, and from his close embrace thy radiant face sprang into sight, a blossoming delight. Through the long summer days, thy lover's burning rays shone hot upon thy heart. Thy life was part of his desire, thou passion flower of fire, and turning towards his love, lifting thy head above the earth that nurtured thee. Thy majesty and stately mien proclaims the sun-crowded queen. On earth, thy gorgeous bloom bears record of thy tomb, and to transcend light, thy soul takes flight till thou art one, O sunflower with the sun.